Well, here on Motorhead Garage, we love performance, and we also love diesels. We know you do too. And if you've got a diesel, you're going to love this show. We have a device that you can put on your diesel, super simple, and it's going to make it run like it should have from the factory. Stay tuned, because Motorhead Garage is trucking.
Motorhead Garage, the program that each week introduces you to and shows you how to install the latest in exciting and innovative products for your vehicle. Motorhead Garage is presented by NHOU Protective Coatings. Now here's your host, Dave Dobson.
This is Motorhead Garage presented by NHOU Protective Coatings. You know, trucks like this 1971 Chevy truck are some of the most popular vehicles in the market these days. And if you've got a 1947 through 1987 Chevy or GMC truck, Brothers Trucks, Dave, is the only place to go. It's your one-stop shop.
Right.
Now, we wanted to clean up the look of this one, and we did that. Take a look at the driver's side over there. It's got the vent window in it. Changed it with a kit from Brothers Trucks. First of all, why remove the vent window in the first place?
A couple of different reasons. Obviously, the sleek, modern look is a way to go that really updates your truck. Now, vent windows were nice, but over the years, the rubber gets old and tired. It starts whistling. Even if you rebuild it, a lot of times you'll get that whistling noise through and such. So instead of rebuilding it, just take the cost of the rebuild and go ahead and buy the one-piece window kit, get the modern look, get rid of the noise, and take care of all the components on the inside, too, at the same time.
And those aren't as important anymore. Back in the old days, you probably didn't have air conditioning.
Right.
So you had to crank that thing open, but now you probably put AC in your truck if you've redone it.
Right, yeah.
And, this is the way to go.
Right. Then we got AC kits, too, for that matter.
Excellent.
And it's not that difficult of a kit to install, really. I mean, all the tools you should have, a drill, screwdriver, all that kind of stuff, no big deal stuff, a die grinder. And all we're going to be doing is just taking out all of the old guts. I'll take the channel that went on the other side of the vent window here, and I'll cut it down and modify it so that it fits right down in here. I drill a little hole down there, and there's a little screw holding it down there. And right here, you can see this aluminum piece that we have made. And this is real specific because it already has the hole drilled in it and everything with a nut that's in there. So this is going to go into the original hole that the vent window went in right here. So there's no guesswork or measuring or anything like that for this piece. You have to cut this piece down to fit it in there. You'll notice that these felts on top, they're the full length going right here. It's very specific. It has this little curve right here to match the curvature in the door. We didn't just go get these and just cut them longer. And right in here, there's a back channel you're going to take out and modify a little bit, cut down a little bit. We got these channels right up in here too, and this is a specific channel with relief cuts in the front and relief cuts right here so that it bends in the right spots. We didn't just get a longer one and try to stiff it in there. So we are constantly taking our kits and installing them. If you go to YouTube and you check out Brothers Trucks channel, you'll be able to see how to install this piece by piece and every little helpful handy hint I can put in there, along with everything on 47 to 53, 55 to 59, 67 to 72, 73 to 87. We got one-piece window kits for every single one of those trucks. And we install every one. We do it on YouTube, and you can go there and you can watch it, so you don't have to have any questions. But if you have any questions, you give us a holler.
In between the YouTube videos and the instructions that come with it, you should have everything you need in the first place.
Yeah, yeah. And like I said, it's not that difficult to install. So it just took us about an hour or two. Definitely, before you order the kit, make sure that you're getting all your peripherals at the same time. You don't want to do this and then have an old door handle on there. You want to make sure that your window regulator isn't bad. You got to make sure that the channel that the glass is sitting in isn't all rusted out. So take your door panel off, see what you need, and order everything at once so you don't get halfway through the job and then have to get back on the phone and wait for more parts. Knock it all out once.
And that's one thing I noticed about this kit. You're reusing a lot of the original parts, right, but Brothers Trucks also sells replacement parts in case you need them.
Right, so if you didn't have the vent window, they sell those. You don't have this back channel, they sell that. I mean, you can almost build an entire car and not use any original pieces at all anymore. And the parts that are coming out are absolutely fantastic. I put a hood on recently. I didn't have to modify it at all. I just scuffed it down, painted it, bolted it right on, lined straight up.
Well, this one little change that we've made a huge difference in the appearance of the truck. Now, this works on the 71, but of course, they have it for your truck. You can get a one-piece window kit, everything from 1947 to 1987. Check it out at brotherstrucks.com. We'll return with more Motorhead Garage presented by NHOU Protective Coatings. We're going to keep on trucking. Hope you come with us.
Some high-performance facts. Top-field dragsters are the fastest accelerating manned vehicles on the planet. They can cover a 1,000-foot drag strip in just over 3.5 seconds. The cars burn about 15 gallons of nitromethane fuel over the course of a single run. And the top speed? 338 miles an hour.